What's up, YouTube? Today we'll unbox and review digital meter from Volmate VOL880. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what is inside. Volmeter itself, plug cables and manual. Comes in pretty nice quality. I have adjustment part at the back so you can place it. Also have very nice backlight so you can see it. So let's go ahead and test out some battery elements and see how it works. Right here we have hold button. Alright, let's test regular IKEA battery. Don't forget about polarity minus and plus. And now you can see we have 1 volt 0.42. So it's pretty good battery. It's still full. This element showing us 4.10 and it's 3.6 volts, so it's full charged. Let's check this one. This one is 4.10. Pretty good too. And on this one we can see 1.3. So this one almost dead, but you can still use it in remotes or something. Very nice, pretty good quality. I pay only $8 for this. It's free shipping. Thank you for watching, guys.